Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are good. How is this lockdown going on? Actually, it's very difficult time for all over the globe, not only our India, and we are dealing it very nicely by staying at home. We all Indians are very brave. We know how to fight with the virus, so we have to stay at home and we have to fight with the corona. Okay, let's go ahead. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 1.4 question number 5 and 6. First of all, let's start question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero, positive integer. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? Negative integers. What would be the temperature at midnight? Means first of all, understand the question. Question wants to say the temperature at 12 noon. 12 noon means after 12 o'clock was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. Above zero means positive integer. If it decreases at the rate of, decreases means negative integer means minus, decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? Minus 8 degrees Celsius. What would be the temperature at midnight? Means this was 12 noon and 12 midnight, what will be the temperature? Very easiest question, I think, if you know them. First of all, in this question what you have to do, you have to understand about the main thing of the question, that what will be the answer of this question. In this question, first of all, write what the things are given. Initial temperature at 12 noon is initial, here you have to write solution. Initial temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius. 10 means this is positive integer. Above 0 means positive integer. So first of all, at 12 o'clock day means midday, your temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Now second thing is, it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius, means per hour, change in temperature per hour is change in temperature per hour. Change in temperature per hour is how much? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Right? Why minus 2 degrees Celsius? Because I have informed you decreases means negative integers. So now what will be the temperature at 11? Means we are moving towards from 12 noon to 12 midnight, right? So first of all, temperature at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. and 12 o'clock. Till that we have to find. And what will be the temperature at 8 degrees Celsius below? Means at what time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. That also we have to find. So now this is our questions given part. Initial temperature 10 degrees Celsius at 12 noon and change in temperature per hour is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So now we have to write temperature at 1 p.m. Is equal to 10 minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 8 degrees Celsius. So are you understanding or not? Per hour 2 degrees Celsius is decreasing. So here at after 12 o'clock means after 12 noon, 1 p.m. means 1 noon. So here 10 minus 2 degrees Celsius, temperature at 2 p.m. 8 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 6 degrees Celsius. Got it? Temperature at 3 p.m. 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 4 p.m. is equal to 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 5 p.m. is equal to 2 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 6 p.m. is equal to 0 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 7 p.m. is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 4 degrees Celsius. Now take the second part, temperature at 8 p.m. Temperature at 8 p.m. See, I have written the shortcut of temperature TEMP because the space is less. You can write full temperature, otherwise you can go down also in your notebook. So temperature at 8 p.m. is equal to how much? Minus 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius. Minus 6 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 9 p.m. is equal to minus 6 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. So here question was, what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? The 9 p.m. the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. Okay, 9 p.m. remember this word, at 9 p.m. Now what would be the temperature at midnight? Means till 12 o'clock. So temperature at 10 p.m. is equal to minus 8 degree minus 2 degree is equal to minus 10 degree. Temperature at 11 p.m. minus 10 degree minus 2 degree is equal to minus 12 degree Celsius, right? And temperature at 12 p.m. means this is the midnight a.m. So here minus 12 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius is equal to 14 degrees Celsius, right? So you can see here two parts of question is given. One is when, at what time the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius, and second, what will be the temperature at 12 degree noon. So you can see here, so write answer of both the part. First part answer, at 9 p.m. temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is below zero. Minus 8 degrees Celsius means below zero, means negative integer. This is the first part of the answer. At 9 p.m. temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Second part, what would be the temperature at midnight? The temperature at midnight is minus 14 degrees Celsius. So this was our answer of question number 5. I hope all of you have understand. If you are having doubt in this question, then drop your doubt into the comment box section. You can write this answer in your notebook. Otherwise, if you want to take a screenshot, so you can take a screenshot also. I hope all of you have written. If you have not written, then please take a screenshot so I can go ahead in question number 6. I hope it is the same question as we have solved previous question. It is about the class test. Means they are getting the right answer, so they will get a positive integer, and wrong answer negative integer, and 0 answer for not touching, right? So first of all, let's write question number 6. What is question number 6? In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. So if you want to write the question that I am speaking, please write. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. So for correct answer, just I am writing the answer. You can write the question from the below link also. Otherwise, you can just download the PDF of class 7 NCERT chapter 1. Okay. For correct answers they are giving plus 3 marks. For correct answers, how much marks they are giving? Plus 3 marks. Okay. And second, minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. For incorrect answer, for each correct answer, for each correct answer, otherwise wait, I am writing it properly so we will not have disturbance. For each correct answer and for each incorrect, each means per. So for each correct answer, plus 3 marks, and for each incorrect answers minus 2 marks. Got it? If your answer is right, plus 3. If your answer is wrong, minus 2 are given for incorrect, and no marks for not attempting the question. There is no marks for attempting the question. If you are not attempting the question, 0 marks. Now come first. Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika, first question. Radhika scored 20 marks. How much marks? Radhika had scored 20 marks. And second part of the question is, if she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted? If she had got 12 correct answers, means she had solved 12 correct answers. If she had or she has got 12 correct answers. If she has got 12 correct answers. 12 correct answers. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted? How many questions she had attempted incorrectly? How many questions she had attempted incorrectly? See, first of all, Radhika had scored 12 marks for correct answer. Question is, how many questions she had attempted? She has attempted incorrectly. Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Through, she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Rakesh scored 18 marks, attempting 16 questions. How many questions he attempted incorrectly? Now question is what? See, Radhika scored 20 marks. If she had got 12 correct answers, first of all, for each correct answer plus 3 marks. So for 12 correct answers, what will be the marks of for 12 correct answers? 3 into 12 is equal to 36 marks, right? And how much she had scored? She has scored 20 marks. So if you are doing minus 36 minus 20, 16 marks, right? So now question is, for each incorrect answer it's 2 marks. So how many questions she attempted incorrect? For each incorrect answer, is equal to minus 2 marks. So number of incorrect answer is equal to 16 by, means you can here it's minus to 16 by 2 is equal to 8. So how many number of incorrect answers were 8? So question was C, as she had got 20 marks only and she had attempted total 12 questions. So 12 3s are 36 marks were in positive, but she have got only 20 marks. So 16 marks had gone in the negative. So this 16 marks means minus 16 marks she had got, remember. So minus 16 marks, minus 16 upon minus 2, minus cancel, 2 is it. So total 8 answers she had attempted incorrectly. Got it? Now the second question is, Mohini scores minus 5 marks through this test. She has got 7 correct answers. See, Mohini minus 5 marks, and she had got how many? She had got minus 5 marks and she had attempted 7 answers. If you are able to solve these answers, then please solve by yourself. If you are not able to solve, then in the next video I will solve that question. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Like and subscribe this video. You can share this video with your friends also, so they can also get knowledge. That's all for today. Thank you very much.